Hi everyone, I'm Mia, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to create a sort of lightning ball Halloween look. And this is a lot easier than the last video, so hopefully you'll be able to follow this along a little bit easier. If you do want to see how to create this look, please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy this video, please remember to go like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to make sure you miss none of my future videos. I'm now going to be uploading every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday at 8:30 PM, so be sure to check that out. And before we get into the video, I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back. So I've just finished doing my eyebrows off camera and I used my usual Benefit Kabrow in shade 5 and I carved them out using the Plouise base in shade 2. Now we're gonna get started on the eyes and we're using the MMMMitchel palette by BeautyBay and dipping into the shade Moody Mitch on a Morphe M506 brush, which is my new favourite brush. And we just want to get right in there with the blue.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're...
Now I'm just going to go into the brush I patted out my base with, and I'm just going to really lightly-handedly blend out the inner corner.
Drag on for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Now we're going to do it in the same brush and just a little bit of the black shade. Just to really deepen that. Like that. And as a base, I'm just going to go in with my finger. I'm going to use the shade Mega, which is like a nice royal blue. I'm just going to tap that on. Just like that. Go back in with the same brush to blend the edges out. Now we're going to be dipping a little bit of Mermaze by Peaches and Cream. And we're just going on a flat and fluffy Morphe brush. Doesn't have a name, sorry. And I'm just going to be lightly tapping that in the centre. Just like that. And now, just to finish that eye off, I'm just going to be going into a little bit of liquid eyeliner, the Stila Stay All Day 24/7 waterproof eyeliner, and just applying a thin line. So I just quickly finished the other eye off camera, and I'm not going to do the under eyes now. I'll do it later after foundation because we're going to be covering the whole of this section with shadow as well. So I'm just going to go straight into foundation now, and I'm using the FentyBeauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 280 on a Real Techniques stippling brush. And just going straight in.
You know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you.
So we are today going to go in with concealer as like a base for the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Tartevshape tape in the shade light medium and just applying a little bit there and highlighting a little bit. Blending this out with the brush.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just
And then dipping into my beauty blender.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
Now we're going to go straight into the under eyes. We're not going to set, and we don't need to worry about fallout. Again, we're going to be using all of this area with eyeshadow. So going back into the Morphe M506 brush with a bit of Moody Mitch and going straight underneath. Just like that.
I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer.
And you could even just use this eye look as a nice navy smoky eye. So that's a nice idea. And then we're just going to be dipping into a brush that came in a Kylie Jenner palette. I'm just going to go into Mist and blend that out. Bringing it quite far down and just blending all that out.
Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like.
So start on this section with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be dipping into my Gitco brush out of the My Ultra Multi set, and this is the bigger brush. And I'm going to go straight into Moody Mitch and a little bit of Mega, which is the metallic. Just dipping between them and rubbing the excess off on my hand. And we're just going to start here. Same on the other side. Just keep dipping back in.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep.
So that's kind of the face finished. I just went in with the same shades all the time. Just the thing is, you just need to build up and blend it out, and then you'll end up with something like this. It's not going to be perfect. There's not an exact technique to it. We're just use a nice fluffy brush with nice pressure and build it up. Then to create a bit more dimension and shine, I added Mega again. I really loaded it up on the brush and just blended it out. And now to build on top of that, we're just gonna go back into the Morphe 506 brush with the black shade and really deepen the under eye up. I'm bringing it around to... And now to add a bit more dimension, we're going to go into more of a Jaclyn Hill brush in JH39, and we're going to be dipping into a little bit of the shade Marine, which is like a blue duochrome shade, and we're going to be using this to highlight. A bit on my finger too. And then right down the nose.
You did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you want to be out there?
We're also gonna go back into this brush and dip into a tiny little bit of Marine and Minty, and almost highlight with that. A little bit more dimension. And now for the fun part, I'm just going to go into the Urban Decay White Liquid Eyeliner. And we're just going to start by drawing off a few little lines.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You hurt me, you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even.
So guys, this is the finished look. I just popped on a pair of lashes from Lash. These are the burlesque lashes, and I also added some black kohl eyeliner in the waterline. And on the lips I just used a Pixie lip gloss in the shade Sparkling Quartz, which is like quite clear, just with some reflex, and I just lightly patted over some of the Mermaze pigment by Peaches and Cream, and also added it to my inner corners and a little bit on the cheekbones. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please remember to go like and subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you miss none of my future videos. And also remember to leave a comment down below on any video suggestions or anything like that. If you decide to recreate this look, please tag me. And if you don't follow me already on my social media, everything will be linked down in the description box, along with a product list, links to Lash dance, everything. So be sure to check that out. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys.